Hello guys, in this video I'm just going to explain how to fix this problem occurred while trying to open this Amazon Prime Video. Also, if you're not able to launch YouTube, okay, if it is not connecting right on your TV, first thing we need to verify the Wi-Fi network settings. So provide the right user ID and password and connect it, and then retry. Still, if you are facing the issue, then it would be the time and date issue. So you need to fix that. So go to your home screen and then go to settings. Any smart TV, if you are facing the same issue, you can fix in this way. Then go to device preferences, and here date and time. Verify whether we have the right date and time. Okay. Example, today is 23rd of July 2025. I'm going to verify it, but the date is changed. See, the date and month is correct, but the year is different. So also you can enable automatic date and time if you have connected to the internet. So I'm going to choose use network provided time. See, automatically the date is fetched. The current date is fetched. Then if you are going to update manually, then turn it off and change that. So here you can change the date, the right date, and then going back, date is set. Now I'm going to try Amazon Prime Video on Netflix. This time it should be opening. It's closed. Okay, fine, it's solved. Problem is resolved now. Cool. Amazon Prime is open, and now I'm going to verify YouTube. So YouTube also is launched this time. So that's it, friends. This is the way you can fix the issue on your smart TV. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye. Take care.